Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do to check if your video has any copyright issues on CapCut PC before exporting and posting it. So if you select the export button here, you'll see that there will be a copyright check. Once you scroll down, you're going to just select run a copyright check. Oh, let me just enable the sound first. Scroll down, run a copyright check, and it won't happen if your video is less than a minute. So I'm just going to add a video here, and I'll add like an audio as well. It already has an audio, so I'm just going to check it again. Go to export, scroll down, run copyright check, and it's going to run it and process it. If your video contains like audio that might get copyrighted, it will show you as well as like the videos you use. It says sound copyright check pass, so I can export it. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.